Multiple industries rely on Hammond Machines' quality manufacturing processes for parts that need to endure tough environments and meet rigorous industry standards. Whether it's machining, fabrication, or assembly and finishing, at Hammond Machine, you'll find quality, trust, and performance built into every part we manufacture. With 2 facilities located in the Midwest and Southwest, today we are focusing on our state-of-the-art facility in Addison, Texas, right in the heart of railcar, chemical, and refinery country. With both machining and fabrication under one roof, our Texas facility was built from the ground up to provide manufacturing solutions with maximum efficiency. We continually invest in new equipment to provide the best in quality and on-time delivery. Our robotic welding capabilities continue to grow and have become a critical component of our services. With multiple cells, we keep projects moving with our commitment to on-time, on-budget deliveries. All our welders are AWS and AAR certified and provide parts of uncompromising quality and craftsmanship. We specialize in aluminum and stainless steel fabrication, providing a wide range of services including welding, forming, rolling, and shearing. Our CNC machining centers are capable of high-output production, and our 5-axis machines are capable of multiple processes on a single setup. Efficient scheduling ensures your orders will stay on track while we handle your high-volume projects. With QA following every process, you can be sure that consistency is built into all we do. We welcome collaboration with engineers and product development teams across disciplines and industries, and our expertise in manufacturing enables us to complete the toughest projects. Whatever your job requires, Hammond Machine has the equipment, experience, and knowledge to get the job done. At Hammond Machine Works, we are passionate about what we do. We understand that every company is different, and we strive to meet the needs of every customer that entrusts us with their work. We hope you'll consider us for your next project, right from the heart of Texas.